Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make a landing page in WordPress Elementor. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the landing page on Elementor is really easy. All you need to do to install the two plugins. So first of all, let's go inside the plugin and you can see the option of add new. So let's click here. And here we have to install the two plugins. The first one is obviously the Elementor. So if you haven't installed the Elementor, you have to install this. Other than that, what you need to do, you have to install starter templates. Okay. You can see this, we have to install this plugin as well. Okay, so after installing both of these plugins, what we need to do, we have to go inside the appearance, and in the appearance, you can see the starter templates here. So we have to click here. So in a starter template, you just have to write down landing page here, and you will be able to see bunch of different templates for the landing page. And then we have to pick any one from them, whichever we like. Okay, so in the landing page, as you can see that we have the different templates here. So I would actually like to go with, okay, so I think I should go with this one. So I'll simply go with this template here. So let's click here. Now you can see this, we have this beautiful looking landing page. So if you want to upload your own logo, you can simply upload the file here of your logo. Other than that, you can simply skip and continue. And we also have this default color theme. So you can simply go with any of these color here, and we can also change the fonts from here. So let's click on the continue again and skip continue. Alright, so our landing page is ready. So now we have to click on view the website. And now you will be able to see our landing page here. So this is how we can create the landing page on the Elementor. But if you want to customize it with your own business, you can simply do it. Let's just click on the edit with Elementor. And from there, you will be able to customize this. Alright, so as you can see this, we are inside the Elementor editor, and from here we can customize our landing page. So for suppose if I want to edit this heading, so I will just simply click here and you will be able to see the text here. So from here, I can simply change the text. I can change size of the heading. I can change the HTML tag of the heading, and we can also play around with the alignment. So if I just try to align this into the center, I'll simply click here and now you can see this. So this is how we can play around with these settings. And in this style, I can also customize the text color, typography, text stroke, text shadow, and the blend mode. And we also have the advanced setting here. Okay. So now if I just click on the button here, in the similar way, I can change the text. I can add the link. We have the alignment, size, icon spacing, and the similar way we have the style. In this style, I can change the typography, text color, background color, and you can also see the other options here. Okay, so let's just close this navigation from here, and you can also see this background image. So if I want to change this, I would just simply click here, edit section, click on the style, and you can see we have the image here. So if I want to change the image, I can simply change the image from here. What you need to do, you simply click here, and from here in the media library, you can change the image. But if you want to look for the image on the internet, you simply click on the free images as well. Okay, so this is how you can change the background image if you want to. But right now, I'll simply like to go with this one. And we can also change the image size. We can change the position of the image. We have the attachment. We have the repeat. So we can change the values here easily. And we also have the option to background overlay, border, shape divider, and the typography. So if I just scroll down, you will be able to see our services. Okay. So in this section, we have the heading. We have the 3 different columns. In the columns, we have these data here, automotive, residential, and the commercial. So if you want to change the text, you simply click on the text, and from here you can change the text if you want to. And if you want to change the toggle items, you can simply change the values of the toggle items from here. In the similar way, we can change the values of the second column and the third column as well. All right. So we have the about us page after that. So if you want to change the text in the similar way, you can change the text, and we have the paragraph. So you can change the text of the paragraph in the similar way, and you can also see this. We have the options of the formatting. So if you want to make this paragraph look bold, we have the bold option. we have the italic, and we have the underline option as well. But if you also want to make this the bulleted list or the number list, you can also do this as well. And we can also insert or edit the link here as well. You can see this, we can change the format of our text. Right now it is paragraph, but if you want to change this into the heading or pre-formatted, you can also do this as well. And you can see this, we have the column gap. And if I just go inside the style, I can change the alignment, I can change the text color, typography, and text shadow. So if I just click on the center, you can see this changed the alignment of our paragraph. So let's just go back to the default value. And if you want to change the images, that is really easy. Let's just click here, and you can change the image in the similar way that we have done earlier. We have to choose the image, and we also have the option of the image size, alignment, caption, and the link as well. Okay, in a similar way, we have this text. So you can simply customize any of these options from here as well according to your business. So that is really easy. But if you want to add a new section, you can simply do this as well. So let's just go at the bottom of our landing page. Okay, so if I want to add the new section, I would just simply click here and add a new container. And you can see this, I can add the single column structure, 2-column structure, and 4-column structure, 3-column structure. So you can see the structure of the different layouts here. Okay, so you can simply choose any one, whatever you like to have. So if I just go with the 2-column structure, I would just simply click here. And if I want to add the elements here, that is really easy. All I need to do is to click here. And let's suppose I want to add the heading. I'll just simply write down the heading, and now just simply drag this here. And in the similar way, if I just want to add the image on the other column, what I need to do, you can see this, we have the image element here. I'll just simply drag this and put this here. And we can choose the image from here. So if I just click here and select the image, you can see this, we have our image here. So this is how we can add the new section if you want to. In the similar way, you can also add the other elements here. As you can see here, we have the button, we have the text editor for the paragraph, and we have the video, we have the divider, Google Maps spacer icon, and VB forms. And you can also see bunch of different options here as well. Okay, so you can explore these elements from here in the Elementor if you want to. But right now, let's just delete this section because I don't need this here. Okay, so you can see the map here, you can see the form here. These are all editable elements. All you need to do is to click on the elements. You can simply change the values of those elements as well. Okay, and you can also add the form here as well. You can see here. So this is how you can create the landing page with the help of Elementor. So let's click on the update here. And now if I just try to have a look at our template, I'll just simply click here, click on the view page. Now you will be able to see our landing page here. All right. So you can see the landing page here. So this is how we can create the landing page with the help of Elementor. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.